Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, despite some small accumulations of snow in our northern suburbs, it is primarily a rainstorm for tonight. Some of the rain, heavy at times, inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of rain. So some localized minor street flooding is possible. Take a look at Providence with a wet commute, kind of raw and chilly. We had snow here earlier, but it switched over to rain. And even on northern suburbs where it was snowing, we've seen the switch over to rain now in most locations. And you can see somewhere back there is the Newport Pell Bridge and the clouds and the fog. It is a steady rain in places like Newport, where it is milder. It's in the low 40s along the coast. And, several degrees colder in Smithfield now at 33, Providence 36, and Taunton checking in at 34. Most of this has fallen already. So pretty much as expected here, north and west of Providence, kind of a coating to 1 inch to 1 to 2 in this darker blue. We had a report, and this has already changed over to rain, had a report of North Smithfield coming in with 1.3 inches of snow. It is mainly on the decks and the grass. The roads are just wet. So heavy rain for this evening. We are drier on Tuesday. It's a much better day. We're not talking all day sparkling sunshine, cloudy start. There'll be some partial sun in the afternoon, but compared to what we had today, it's a much nicer day. And then bringing some wet weather in, just some rain showers on Wednesday by the afternoon and evening. That's our next chance for precipitation. See the blue? That's wet snow on Doppler radar. See how it's shrinking? It's mostly green. So the colors represent precipitation type. The darker greens, the yellows and orange indicate steady and heavy rain. And you see that blue shrinking, whatever wet snow we have left over north and west of Route 295. It is changing to rain. It's an all-out snowstorm, though, in the high elevations of the Berkshires and north of the Mass Pike. Several inches of snow there. But here in southern New England, of course, keep the umbrellas nearby. Area of low pressure to our south will bring in that widespread rain for tonight. So take it into the future and notice how the bulk of this is pulling away by early tomorrow morning. We've got drier weather. So this is our lull, our dry lull for Tuesday. And then back here, we're going to watch some of this precipitation, some rain showers coming up on Wednesday. Let me give you a more detailed look at this. As far as this is not a snowfall accumulation map, but rather the amount of rain this evening and tonight, anywhere from inch and a half, and seeing signs of slightly higher amounts out towards southeastern Mass and New Bedford. So take this into the future, and you see that widespread rain, all the colors on your TV set at home. This is a soaking rain. Now, notice early tomorrow morning around 6 a.m., it's a cloudy, kind of a damp start, cool, maybe a leftover shower very early. And then notice it's not complete clearing, but there'll be some breaks of sun through the cloud cover. I mean, temperature's a lot better. I mean, it's only like 34, 35 right now. We're forecasting like 51, so more comfortable tomorrow afternoon. And tomorrow evening, we'll see continued clearing. Your Tuesday night looking fine with temperatures in the lower 40s. So for tomorrow morning, kind of a cloudy, damp start early. By 11 a.m., 46, we'll see some breaks of some partial sun coming through the cloud cover during the afternoon. Overall, it's a very comfortable afternoon with temps in the upper 40s to lower 50s. 7-day outlook. This is not a storm, but rather another system coming through. Nothing, the rain that we're forecasting on Wednesday, not nearly as heavy as what we're expecting for tonight, but some scattered rain showers during the afternoon and evening. Temps in the mid-40s. Northern suburbs may see an hour or two of wet snow, no big deal. Dry for Thursday and Friday, not bad. Early call on the weekend is for the chance of at least some scattered rain showers both Saturday and Sunday, with daytime highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. But no doubt stormy night tonight in terms of heavy rain, so be careful as far as travel.